Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. Today, sticking with our theme, is another bloom. And this bloom is going to be done with all the colors that we've been using this week. And this is also going to be done with the pouring medium liquitex. And JoSonja gloss varnish. And I'm using the same colors that I did yesterday. And hopefully we'll see how this comes out. I will be using my the same cell activator, Payne's Gray. And I'm going to be starting here. This is my Atelier Free Flow Cobalt Turquoise Light. I do notice this is not as thick as my other paints. I'm gonna put a little more on today. Try and get some full coverage on this. And my next color that I'm going to be using is this little piggy. And this is called Sea Glass. Oh. I'll just crooked. And next color is this little piggy. And this is Ballet Slipper. Beautiful colors. And this is this little piggy, Cinnamon, which is a beautiful coppery color. Absolutely love, love, love this color. Okay, copper. Oh, and let's not forget our silver. This is Liquitex Soft Body Iridescent Fine Silver. Okay. Got lots of paint on here. Pop those little bubbles. And here is my Payne's Gray Cell Activator. Gonna give that a stir. If I can find one of my, here's a stir stick. Okay, nice little circle of that in there. And I'm gonna grab my blow dryer. And here we go. Okay. So this is very, very liquidy, as I can see here. Got lots of cells. Did get a lot of cells in here. Shine. You can see that. Colors are very vibrant. So I think I'm going to call this a beautiful one. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Seems like most of my colors are in there. I'll take you in for a close-up in a bit. And please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Tell your friends. And yeah, come back tomorrow. Donna from Hollywood, signing off. Be safe out there.